another video of MathBilis, and for this video, we're going to learn the concept of subset and proper subset. So let's begin. Let's analyze these two given sets. So we have set R, the set of colors of the rainbow, and another set P, the primary colors. As you notice, the elements of set P are also the elements of set R. So we can safely say that set P is a part of set R. These two illustration or example clearly states the concept of subset. So what is a subset? When we say subset, given two sets A and B, if each element of set B is an element of set A, then set B is a subset of set A. In symbol, we can write it in this format. B is a subset of A. Now take note that in order to say that set B is a subset of set A, dapat daw yung every elements ni set B ay elements din ni set A. So yun yung magiging condition natin. Example, is set E a subset of set N? Given two sets, we have set N, natural numbers less than 10, and set E, set of even number between 1 and 10. So by writing down or listing down the elements of set N and E, malalaman natin kung subset nga ba si E ng set N. So sabi natin, in order to say that set E is a subset of set N, dapat every element ng set E ay elements din nung set N. Check natin. Meron bang 2 sa set N? Yes, meron. Meron bang 4? Meron din. Meron bang 6? Meron din. How about 8? Meron din. So, every element of set E are also elements of set N. In other words, we can safely say that set E is a subset of set N. So, in symbol, set E is a subset of set N. Kasi nasatisfy natin yung condition na every elements daw ng set E dapat maging elements nung set N. So, the answer in our question in the example is yes. Set E is a subset of set N. How about the proper subset? When we say proper subset, given two sets A and B, set B is a proper subset of set A if there is at least one element in A not found in B. So para maging proper subset si B ng A, dapat daw may kahit at least one element sa A ay wala doon sa set B. In symbol, we can write it in this format. B is a subset of A. Take note that this symbol indicates that the given set is not a proper subset. Let's have an example for the proper subset. Let us use the given example a while ago. Is set E a proper subset of set N? Ang condition natin, para maging proper subset is set E ng set N, dapat daw at least one element ng N ay wala doon kay set E, kahit isa lang. Now, in our example, obviously, maraming mga elements sa N na wala kay E. So, ano yung mga elements na yon na wala kay E? We have 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Sobra-sobra na yung naging condition natin. Ang kailangan lang natin, at least one element in N, dapat wala kay set E. Para masabi natin na proper subset si E nung set N. So, obviously, meron tayong mga elements na wala kay E. Therefore, we can safely say that set E is a proper subset of set N. So that is the concept of the proper subset. Now, take note of the following things to remember when it comes to subset. A null set or empty set is always a subset of any set. Another is, any set is a subset of itself. So, ang null set or empty set is always a subset of any set. And another thing, a set is a subset of itself, yung sarili niya. Now, let's list down the subset given the set A with elements 1, 2, and 3. List down natin yung mga subset niya. So, sabi natin, ang empty set ay subset of any set. So, lagay natin yung first subset niya, the empty set. Now, ano na pa yung mga subset ng set A? So, we have 1. 1 is a subset of A. Another is 2. Then we have 3. Ano pa mga pwede? Pwedeng by pair. 1 and 2 ay subset din ng A kasi part din siya nun. Also, we have 2 and 3. And also, we have 1 and 3. And looking back dun sa ating condition, a set is a subset of itself. So, pwede natin ilagay yung 1, 2, and 3. Now, let's count ilang subset na meron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we have 8. So, we have 8 subsets. Now, by listing down, we can easily determine the number of subset in a given set. But there is one way on how to determine the number of subset in a given set. To determine the number of subset in a given set, we can use this expression or equation. The number of subsets can be obtained using the formula below. Number of subsets is equal to 2 raised to n, wherein n is the number of elements. So, yan yung formula natin to get the number of subset in a given set. Yung n dyan, tumutukoy sa number of elements. So, balikan natin yung example natin kanina. Kanina, ang nabilang nating subset ay 8 or 8. So, using this formula, check natin kung 8 talaga yung subset. So, we have the number of elements is 3. So, let's count the number of subset. Subset is equal to 2 raised to n. And we have a value for n, which is 3. So, 2 raised to 3. Then, what is 2 raised to 3? We have 8. It means you're going to multiply 2 to itself 3 times. 2 times 2 times 2. And we have 8. 8 subsets. So, na-verify natin na tama yung bilang ng subset dun sa example natin kanina by listing down all the subset. So, take note of this formula to get the number of subset of a given set. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for more updates.